Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss about networking concept and about the computer network. So this is our first class. So today we will discuss the advantages of network and network components, and in upcoming classes we will discuss type of network, network architecture and network topologies. So without wasting any time, let's start. So what is computer network? As we can see, a computer network is a collection of computer connected to share information and resources with each other. The computers are connected using a communication medium such as cable, telephone lines or satellite. A computer network enables device to share hardware, device, exchange file, etc. As we can see, there is an image of computer network. We will try to discuss to learn the computer network with the help of this image. So as you can see, there are two computers which are connected to a switch, a laptop which is also connected to the switch, there is a printer and there is a server. All the devices are connected to a switch with the help of wires. As you can see, there are some wires, and in the same image we can also, there is a printer, there is a tablet, there is a laptop and mobile phone. The all devices are also connected to the same network without any wire. So it means network are of two types, wired or wireless. We can connect the devices in a network with wire and without wire. I hope it's clear. Computer network. A network can be as small as just two computers sharing resources with each other to as large as millions of computers connected with each other to share their resources. Internet is one of the largest network of computers which is spread across the world. It means if we want to build a network, we need minimum two computers. This is very important point. If we want to build a network, we need minimum two computers or maximum millions of computer. We can connect millions of computer, but minimum two computers are required to make a network. This is also important point. Internet is one of the largest network of computer which is separate across the world, or we can see internet is the biggest example of a network. Components of computer network. First one is message. A message is a piece of information which is transferred across the network. This could be text, voice, image or other media. As you are watching this video is a message for you. Sender. Sender is the source. It could be a computer or the person who sent the message across the network. So here I am the sender because I sent this video to you. Receiver. Receiver is the person or computer who receives the message sent by the sender. So you are the receiver because you are watching this video. Transmission media. It is the communication channel through which the message is transferred from the sender to receiver on the network. Transmission media means, as I send this video to you using my laptop, and I think you are also watching this video on your mobile phones. So the mobile phones and laptop both are connected to the network wirelessly. So here is the, we are using wireless transmission media. But if any student is watching this video on their PC, on their computer, and he or she has a wired network, so then the media will be wired. Last point, protocol. It is a standard set of rules which are followed by the system to communicate message across the network. It means protocols are set of rules. We are watching this video using YouTube. So it means I uploaded this video on YouTube. So there are some protocols, there are some rules that I have to follow, and you also have to follow the rules to watch this video. So that is protocol. As you can see, sender, we can take another example. As you use WhatsApp, a person who sent the message is a sender. This message came with the help of internet or a network, and receiver received the message with the help of internet. So this is a image by which we can understand the concept of sending and receiving a message. Advantages of networking: efficient use of storage media. It is more economical to store a software on a network drive than to store a copy of the software on each system storage. Yes, it means if we want to store any data, so we can store it in only on one computer, and all the computer connected to the network, same network, can use the same data. Preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backup on a number of stand-alone computers. When you keep backup on a central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. Same, it means you have to maintain your data only on a one computer, and other computer can also use the same data. Reduction in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices that are not used often, like modems, printers, scanners, CD writers, etc., can be shared. This reduces the total expenditure on hardware. Okay, so now it means if we have 10 computers, we don't require 10 different printer to connect to the all computers. We can use only one printer with the all 10 computers, and all the 10 computers can give a command to print any material with the same printer. So that is reduction in hardware cost. We don't need to buy 10 different printer. Efficiency. In a network, the deletion, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point only. Means if we want to modify or delete any data, we have to delete it only from the main computer. So data will be deleted Next, quick document delivery. Networking provide a facility to instantly deliver soft copy from one computer to other computer through the world. As we use WhatsApp or Gmail, so with the help of WhatsApp, Gmail, we can send any file from one place to another. So these are the some advantages of computer network. So that is it for today. Thank you, students.